Hey guys, thanks so much for tuning in. My name is Teresa Campbell and I do all things food, fashion, and fitness. And today I'm going to show you a video where my husband takes me through a training session and kicks my butt. I hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe and let's get to it. Now he's doing my SI, my glutes.
SI, glute medius.
And then he's gonna train me. So we're gonna document it because usually we just work out at the same time. So normally he doesn't train me, but he already worked out. So he's gonna give me his full attention. All right, time to go.
Okay, slow. We're going real slow. You're doing eccentric, so very slow on the way down. Don't forget that flex at the top. People think that your knees can never come in front of your toes. Hell, I used to teach that when I was a trainer, but it's not actually a huge problem unless your knees are absolutely destroyed. All right, good job, baby. Here's halfway right here. Here at 3. Okay, so you're gonna go down 1, 2. A little faster now. A little faster tempo.
2.
No, I want you going all the way to the top with the squeeze, but faster. 1, squeeze, go. 2, squeeze, okay?
Got it.
1, squeeze. 2, squeeze. There you go. Feel it in your lat. A little bit in your oblique.
Yes.
Okay,
All of these.
good. Okay, I want to get a little bit of a crossover at the tip. Okay, so when you come up here, we're coming across the body just a little bit and then over, okay? Just want to stretch the lat as much as we can. You got 9 more. But keep your hips towards me though. Hips towards me. Give me 7 more. Okay? Switch sides, same thing. Okay, I want you to arch your back and I want you to lean forward a little bit. I want you to think about pulling those behind you, not just down. Behind you. There you go. Okay, I know it's not, you only got 1 set of this. Yep, those hips high. Very nice. Doing great, babe. So you got really strong legs. This weight would be hard for me. No, really. But you have such strong quads. Yep, and then neutral. No rocking. Okay. Also, this is a 3-minute set.
Yeah, and I'm glad we're doing 5.
Okay.
So I feel it.
Turn, press, together. Okay, turn, skull crusher, and up. That should feel heavy. Okay. Okay, and have me sit here on this. Okay. Yep, switch arms. 1, all the way down. 2. Okay, babe, give me a little lean forward. 3, 4, 5, switch, same thing. 1, 2, keep that elbow in. Tuck that elbow. You're good. Come on, one more, baby. One more. Atta girl. For me, elbows in. There it is. Okay. Okay, now lean back for me. Different feel. There it is. This is just 1 set, so everything you got. Everything you got. If you're doing it right, you should be dying. If you're working hard, this is AMRAP, as many reps as possible. Come on. This is your last upper body set for the day. Perfect. 2, 3. This is all out set. 4, 5, 10. Toes in. 1, 2, 10. Okay. Toes up. 1, 8. Okay. Now that's okay. That's okay. If you need to stop, that's fine. Now toes forward. Okay. I don't want you to lower the weight, sweetheart. I want you to take rests if you need to. 3. Yep. That's okay. 4, 5, you're my hero. 6, doing a great job. This should be a very, very difficult set to complete. 8, one more. Good job, okay? Got 10 left, 10 reps. 10 reps, you got it, come on. Give the quads an old slap. There we go. All right, 10 more. 9, 8, give me full range. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, one more. Now you're holding this one. Yep, you're holding this one. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Awesome job. I want even less range. 2 more. Less range of motion at the top. Okay, now this is middle to top, middle to high. 1, don't go down too far. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Full range now. All the way down, all the way up. All the way down, all the way up. Yep. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Rest. You have 15 breaths.
Okay, so I just got done working out and now I'm just going to take a shower. I'm gonna first make a shake, do a vegan protein shake, and then I'm gonna take a shower, and then I'm meeting up with 2 of my girlfriends for dinner, so. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you loved the video. I just wanted to say a few of my favorite workouts were probably, or the ones that I felt the most and that were the hardest, were butt is elevated off of the leg press. That one was very intense. Quad burnout at the end, that killed me. It was just a lot of time under tension and just a different way of training. You don't always have to lift heavy. I love lifting heavy, but I also really love just burning out and getting that endurance in. So just a reminder, my husband is a personal trainer, so he does have all the qualifications to be training me and to give advice. Some of those moves might be a little bit advanced, so if you are a beginner or new to working out, maybe just skip those until you learn your body a bit more or you have someone that can guide you through them. I will say my butt, legs, quads, back, everything was so sore. I felt really good. I felt definitely got a good workout, and there's just something when someone else trains you, you automatically just push yourself harder. You can do more. They can help you get those last few reps that you wouldn't be able to get on your own without dropping the weight. So I'm forever grateful that I have a husband that is able to share his knowledge and training with me. So like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks guys. Bye.